Steve here, ShenRC, and today I want to share something with you guys. Super Clean contacted me and asked me about using the products on my RC car, so I thought I'd give it a go. I'm going to show you how it works. This is the standard Super Clean spray. This is the new foaming spray. And then this is the foaming trigger spray they have here. And they said it could be used to degrease stuff and everything, so I guess it would be good for RC when you have to degrease gears and all that kind of stuff. Now I got these gas cars here, and I'm going to try to clean them off with some of the Super Clean. Like I got the oily stuff on the wheel here. This body here is all dirtied up. So we'll try to clean that with the Super Clean. But they gave me this chart here, and they say for the type of job and what material you're using it on. They say you could mix it with water, 3 parts to 1 the Super Clean, 8 parts to 1, 16 parts to 1. So you gotta test which type of mixture you want to use for what you're doing. So I'm gonna try it out full strength, and I'm just gonna hit the greasy part. And then I'm going to try to clean this body here, and we'll see how it works. Alright, I'm going to try the standard spray Super Clean here. I just have a regular paper towel. And this is nitro, so I'm just going to spray a little bit on this wheel here. And then I'm going to see how it works. Look at that. I took it right off. That worked really good on the nitro, because that leaves like really oil residue. I ain't going to go crazy cleaning it, but that was just to show you. And it took it right off. And that's full strength. Like I said, you could dilute it. If you wanted to spray your whole chassis, I would recommend diluting it like they say, 8 to 1 or 16 to 1. I'm just going to try something real quick with a little spray on here. See, this is really dirty here. Probably should be wearing gloves when you use this also, but I just want to let you know that. Safety first. You could see, took the grime right off that. Works pretty good on the nitros. Next, I'm going to try the foaming cleaner. I'm just going to spray a little bit on this body here. Like I said, you probably would want to use the regular stuff diluted, but I'm going to wing it and try this full strength. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. Whoa, it foams. Wear gloves when you do this, guys. I'm just doing this really quick. Look at that. Looks like it takes it off easy, and I didn't even soak it real good. Let me just wipe it down. A dry one. And there you go. Took all that grime and dirt right off. Let's see the inside. This stuff's really hard to get off sometimes. I don't know if this will... It foams really good. Heck, I could probably do the whole body with this. There you have it. Worked like a beauty. But like I said, make sure you wear gloves, guys. This stuff's probably not good to handle on your hands. And also, if you're doing like your full RC car and you want to spray it, dilute this stuff down. I'd use the regular stuff like this and dilute it like 8:1 mixture or 16:1. You gotta try it out the way you want to try to use it for what you're cleaning. Alright, now I want to try the super clean foaming spray. And this wheel here was from an old nitro. You could see it's dirty, gummy, old fuel with the oil dried in there. I'm just gonna spray this in. And see what it does when I leave it sit. So leave that sit for a second. You probably want to spray this out with water, but I don't have nothing here, so I'm just gonna dump it out on this rag here. This has been sitting on this wheel for many years. You could see it dissolved it. You just got to clean this out properly now. Like I said, spray it out with like water. But it does eat it off really easy. I can't get down in the bottom, but you could see the edge part. Look how it ate it off. There's just some in there you need to get out with like a hose or something with water. Now that my workbench is dirty, I'm just going to give it a quick spray with the Super Clean. Wipe it down. And there you have it. Took everything off, all the crud and dirt. Well, there you have it, guys. That's just a little demo of the Super Clean products. You could use it for a lot of your RCs. You could clean your workbench, your tools, dilute it, spray your cars, and clean anything, degrease gears. Looks like it works really good. I'll leave the link below in my video description so you could check the Super Clean products out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell for future videos. Leave a comment. I'll try to answer any questions you guys have. And I'll see you next time. Shen RC.